Make sure you guys are liking this video. I really appreciate it, guys. Can never be too old for some good mac and cheese. Ladies, if you're looking for a man, your boy is real good in the kitchen. Can make a real good mac and cheese. Also, wait for it, wait for it. Oh, man. Your boy got a fresh cut. No more wearing a mop anymore. I got a nice little fade on the sides. All right, let's go. I hope you guys are just as excited as I am, because it's been a while since I posted. It's been a while since I did something to the car. So let's get it done. You guys can see we got a little winter wonderland out here. It snowed this morning, a couple inches. Look at this, sitting in this beastly puddle right now, guys. Soon coming. I'm gonna get a garage for you midnight. Don't you worry. Have a nice dry garage. I'll be wrenching in there, putting on my supercharger kit. Don't mind the mess in here. The car is a mess. I got laundry everywhere. I'm just trying to get back into things after like 4 or 5 days of being sick. Kind of sets you back a little bit. But first thing we're gonna do right now, before we get this cover on, I'm gonna just clean this wheel, obviously. And what I'm gonna do is start this car because it's kind of cold out. So maybe we'll melt some ice off. Just see what we have. Yo, this thing looks crazy, guys. Pretty much right now I am just positioning. Here comes the fun part now. We got our red stitching. We got a little needle here. All right, just tying this little knot right now. I'm gonna start down here on the corners. All right, guys, I am redoing my stitching. Well, the thing is, you need to space these out like an extra gap, is what it is. I'm still trying. So, wish me luck, guys. It's day 2 here, and I'm currently fixing my stitching that I had all screwed up before. You could see that looks a lot better than before. Honestly, it's a lot like closer apart, so I'm gonna keep going here. But basically what I did differently was I tied the knot underneath here, this strap, this piece here, like right here. I literally tied a knot, and then I stuck the needle through this material and came out and started basically on that backside. So once this is all done, I'm gonna fold this underneath this trim piece. It's literally just this motion, like the whole time here. Then we're gonna send it back across. So then I have the knot right here and the needle itself right up at the top, just like a single knot, so it'll fit through. And then literally I have the knot holding it on underneath there, and then we have our long piece of string. So this is what I'm essentially working with right here. So just very, very time consuming, guys. This is totally testing my patience. You guys were all right with that. But I'm determined to get this done. I failed the first time. I want to get this done. I want to get this video up for you guys. And most importantly, I don't want a trash looking steering wheel anymore. And then you guys can see I'm not going every single stitch. I'm skipping like one extra one. So I'll show you here. So for example, so we got one in the center of these two, right? So I'm going to go for the upper one, so it's spaced out. Feed it through all the way here. Right, and then we're gonna come back this way, get my needle. I'm gonna come back this way And I'm actually just going to go through this one here. Make sure it's tight. It's pretty tight. So we are going to start this other side now, guys. This is what I'm talking about. You want to put your, start your knot through here, this little under channel. We have our knot right on the back side of this, and I'm going to cut this piece. Then I am going to exit right here. Like so. And then we can make our way. We're going to do the back. We're going to feed it right up through. Down. You could see how we could start to get that pattern right there, guys. And then first, I'm going to actually tuck this underneath this section here. So I recommend tucking in this section, guys, before you get too far up, because it is a pain to get this thing tucked in. It's very tight and stuff, so just keep that in mind. Like, I went way too far up here. I would definitely start like stitching and then fold that right in. It's almost there. It's, like I said, this is still pretty complicated here, but what I'm gonna do is start in these corners here now that I tucked everything in. But I'm nervous for this top part here. I feel like this is gonna be one of the hardest parts. So I'm just trying to see how, like, what I can connect to here to get this started. It's harder than it looks, guys. But all right, so for this back side, this piece here is flush with that. So what we're gonna do is start connecting basically these two together and just try to work our way around. I'm super nervous for this corner here because this has got to be perfect. So it just like pulls it together essentially. So wish me luck, guys. Let's get it done. I have my last thing of red stitching right here. I have the top starting right now. It's not the greatest, but I am totally winging it right now. How I started that was I kind of like finagled it back here somehow. It's, like I said, not the cleanest setup, but we're making way, guys. I'm gonna try to get this whole top section done tonight because I don't want to mess around with that. But anyways, literally same thing as the bottom. Totally winging it, guys. I don't know how I'm doing it right now, but I am winging it. And you'll see what I'm talking about if you go to try to perform this job yourselves, guys. I'm not trying to scare you, but this is definitely more complex than I thought. I made it actually a lot further than I thought, and I'm glad that I didn't give up on this project. There was a few times where I'm just like, you know what, forget this. This is complicated. I don't I almost lost my patience, honestly, but you guys could see the final product. So I'm gonna keep chugging along here. I only have basically this section left in the corner, and I'll work on the sides tomorrow because I am losing daylight and I have plans tonight. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure you guys like this video. Drop all your comments down below. What steering wheels are you running? Do you guys have wraps like this? And subscribe to the channel, guys, and I will see you all in the next video. Peace out, and remember, never stop wrenching. I consider it done. It's not perfect. I still need to fix the sides here. I tucked in both sides, and then this side is just, I have to fix the bottom here. But guys, I literally did it. Top is a little wrinkly, but honestly, I am super happy with the outcome. I think it came out decent. Definitely not the best job, but it's better than how my old wheel looked, guys. I almost gave up. I'm not gonna lie, guys. You were right in terms of having patience with this thing. Finishing touch, the finishing product is very, very appealing. I think it looks very stylish, very JDM, simplistic. You know, it's got the fake, the little carbon fiber. And my favorite part, believe it or not, on this is either the carbon fiber, or I like this little red like indentation there.